Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. This is the channel where I show you how to go from nothing to maybe $2, $3, $4, $5, or even $10,000 a month in passive income by publishing low and no content books. So in this video, I've got an amazing niche for you. It's kind of like a broad niche, and it can be broken down into many sub niches. So from this one niche, you can get a lot of different books out of it, and they're really easy to create as well. And if we can get this video to 30 likes, like it says right here, I'll make a tutorial in the next video, next Wednesday, to show you exactly how to make the interior for this niche. So in this video, we're just going to be looking at like the number of competing books, the BSRs, the age group, and the different sub niches. Then the next one will be a tutorial showing you how to make the interior. And maybe as well, I can show you what keywords I would use in the backend keywords and what keywords and products I would target in my ads. So make sure you get the video to 30 likes, and let's go on to Amazon now and see what is going on. So straight away, and very importantly, you can see it says there's only 1,000 results for the search, which is very, very promising because a lot of other niches have, let's say, 10 or even 20,000 search results. So this means that this is relatively low competition in that regard. And you can see the BSRs are really, really fantastic. Just to note, this is the DS Amazon Quick View Chrome extension, and this one is the Helium 10 Chrome extension, and both of them show the rank. You can see this one also shows the categories. So this one is ranked number 1 in antique and collectible buttons books, which is kind of questionable. I don't know if they're trying to claim that the dots are buttons. They're probably not. And it's number 61 in childhood education. So that's really, really awesome. This book, by choosing this obscure category, has managed to get number 1 in this category, which is easier than ranking number 1 in a more well-known category. And because of that, they've got the bestseller tag, which has really, really helped them in their rank, which, as you can see, is 12,000. So this was made on May the 7th, 2020. Let's go and take a look at the interior. So we can see this is a shapes and numbers type book. So we can definitely use this as a possible niche for when we are creating. Okay, let's delete that. Sorry about that. Copy and paste this one, and we can write shapes and numbers. This could be a potential niche for us. And let's go and look at the interior, see how complicated it is. We've got some different shapes and different numbers, and inside they've just put different dots in here, which you can color in essentially. So it's a really easy interior to make. And like I say, you can do a lot of different niches. So just this publisher alone has got a Halloween dot markers book, an ABC one, fruits and vegetable one, 100 Days of School, bugs and insects, Father's Day, and also a summer version of the book. Now the second book down, this really gives me a lot of confidence in the niche, because you can see that although it's only got 4 reviews, it's ranked 109,000, which is really, really amazing. And that also gives us another niche which we can take down. So this is like a sea animals niche. So we could do animals, we could do sea animals. We'll just leave that in the same one because we're going to get a lot of these different niches. This one is doing really well at the moment because it's coming up to Christmas. This is definitely a thing that we can write down. So we could write Christmas. We could take a note for maybe Easter. We could take a note maybe for next Halloween. Other seasonal events like maybe Valentine's Day in February, or Father's Day, or Mother's Day as well. We could even potentially try and make something out of that. In the next niche down, we've got cars and vehicles. This one again is doing really, really well, ranked 8,000 on Amazon.com. This one again is a shapes and numbers one, ranked 2,600. So we've already written that one down. We've got an Easter one, which obviously isn't selling right now. It's a bit out of season. And then we've got another one with a very small amount of reviews, so very, very promising. And it's ranked 123,000. This one is in a color by number theme. So yeah, really, really awesome niche. Then we've got a unicorn one. So we can definitely be writing this down. Let's create another arrow for this one. We just got to grab this arrow and drag it from here down to here. There we go. That's 5 now. As we keep scrolling down, we can see this is a relatively new one by Big Dots Painting Books, ranked 154,000. So again, really strong. Definitely will be improving in the future as well if they can get some reviews on their book. And this one is dinosaur themed. So again, it's kind of like the opposite of unicorn. I guess it's for boys, then it's dinosaurs. So we just write that one down there. We've got another vehicles one doing really well. We've got mermaids, a Thanksgiving dot marker book. So we can also write this one down here. Or mermaids. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the first page. Let's go and take a look on page 2, see what's going on over here. So we can skip these 2 sponsored products at the top of there. We've got an ABC one. Definitely a niche that I would be interested in pursuing. The ranks on these ones are really good. You can see low number of reviews on both of them. Very promising niche. And yeah, I would really make some of these books. You can see we've got Sea Life again, so that proves that one is working. We've got, what's this one? Cute Animals, Easy Dots, and yeah, the age group on all of these is pretty similar. So let's write this in. It's tended to be, if you look at the search results, between 2 and 5. Interior, we're going to talk about in the next video. And the average BSR for the best ones is we've seen anywhere as low as 2,000, and we've seen, you know, up to like say 60,000. But all of those are going to bring you in amazing royalties. And the more reviews you get, like you can see this one's not even got any, the better in the rank your book will become. So there's just one last thing for us to write down on here on our kind of niche analysis whiteboard. And it says there is 1,000 competing books, but in reality, there's probably. So let's write a couple of question marks there on the interior, because if we break 30 likes, I will do that for you in the next video. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Hope you got a lot of ideas. And I think that this is a really amazing niche, because you can see that within this one kind of broad niche, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, probably 8 if we just include Thanksgiving instead of those. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different niches and different kind of angles you can take with a dot market activity board. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.